perhaps one of the most prized possessions of a man is a pickup truck. This is due to various reasons: versatility in hauling tons of stuff and ease of getting the job done, just to name a few. However, it's crucial to secure your load not only from weather elements but also from thieves, especially when in transit. And one simple yet effective solution is to use the best tonneau covers for F150. Beyond their purpose, these covers can also improve the overall look of your vehicle. Depending on the design, they provide outstanding security and even options for additional accessories. After hours of research and after taking expert advice, we have listed the 5 best tonneau covers for F150 to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 5. Gator ETX 53315. This roll-up tonneau cover is made to fit a standard 5.6 feet bed, and it is made especially for the 2015 to 2021 Ford F150 model. Holding a lot of features, there's no doubt that you will love this product. First of all, it can provide you with maximum security through its heavy-duty latching design. Also, this cover is made of premium leather grain vinyl. Not only does it protect your cargo from all the harsh weather elements and prying eyes, but it also provides a sleek and stylish look to your vehicle. As for the installation, the manufacturer ensures the process is just fast and easy without requiring drilling. All you need to do is clamp down the rails to your truck bed. Much more, it features an adjustable tension control that allows you to keep it pulled tightly in any condition or situation. Also, the inside mount allows you to have full access to stake pocket holes when you plan on using other accessories. Whenever you're not using this cover, you can easily roll it up and secure it in the use of a storage strap. With this, you'll be able to enjoy total access of your truck bed since it won't take too much space. Taking into account everything that it can offer, it is undeniably one of the best roll-up tonneau covers for F150. Number 4. TruXedo TruXport. This soft roll-up tonneau cover from TruXedo is undoubtedly a top-quality product at a very affordable price. It is made with leather grain black material, making it durable enough to withstand harsh weather elements. With this top-mount design, it can sit 1.5 inch above your vehicle's truck bed. Also, the cross tubes on the covers are just straight, thereby providing a smooth flat look when it is closed. Much more, you don't have to worry about its installation since the process is simple and hassle-free. There's no need to have any special tools or do some drilling just to set this up. It is also equipped with dual paddle latches on both sides, thereby ensuring that the tail rail is in a locked position. Also, they can be easily accessed. With the preset tension control system, the cover will not flap or move while you're driving. For sure, this can be adjusted manually and with ease to make sure it fits your truck bed perfectly well. Indeed, it is one of the best roll-up tonneau covers for F150 that you can find on the market. This is something that won't disappoint you when it comes to functionality and looks. Number 3. Tyger Auto T3. This tonneau cover is made specifically to be compatible with the 2015 to 2021 Ford F150, integrating a lot of massive improvements and upgrades from its predecessors. To ensure its durability, this product is made of dual-coated 24 ounces marine-grade soft vinyl. The frame is constructed from heavy-duty aircraft-grade aluminum. Hence, it is a very tough cover that can surely withstand all the harsh elements from the changing seasons. Much more, it comes with clamps that are made of stainless steel. With this system, installation becomes easier and much more convenient. Also, this trifold truck cover offers pre-assembled crossbars, thereby ensuring the needed support. Not only that, but this can also be folded up, so it will be handy and easier for you to gain better and full bed access. Once properly installed, you'll love how it sits tightly and seals the entire truck bed completely, thereby ensuring that your cargo is kept safe while on the road. Much more, it will help you reduce your gas consumption by up to 12%, making you save a lot of money. Given all of these features, it is indeed the best trifold tonneau covers for F150 you'll find on the market. This is worth every penny you spend on it. Number 2. UnderCover Ultra Flex. If you're looking for a durable cover for your truck, then this is a great option. This hard folding cover is made of FRP composite materials that ensure you'll get a top quality product. It also comes in a glossy black finish that adds a sleek look to your vehicle. Much more, this makes sure that you are given full control of your truck bed by offering 3 secure positions: closed, partially closed, and fully open. It can securely be held in place by integrating dual prop rods therein. Also, it features a bed rail mounting system that comes with the rubber seals. Drain tubes are also installed on the cover to keep the water away from the bed, so you're sure that your valuables are kept dried and secured every time. And the flush design of this cover is guaranteed to provide a subtle look that will not attract any unwanted attention. The underside has been carpeted to ensure your cargo does not get scratched up while being transported. Even with so many features, you still get 100% bed access. Yes, that's right. No space on the bed of your truck will go to waste with this cover. It has dual pop rods which make it stand upright instead of resting against the back of your truck. Multiple pull handles on either side make it easy to open. An easy-to-operate cover is the main feature you should look for in any one that you buy. The installation also does not require any drilling, making it quick and easy. The company provides this cover with a 5-year warranty. There is no doubt that this product is of great quality that will give you your money's worth. For sure, you won't have regret in purchasing this tonneau cover, especially for your F-150. Number 1. BAKFlip MX4. This product is known to be the first matte finish hard folding cover to be sold on the market. With this textured finish, it is certain to give your truck a premium look while protecting it from damage caused by UV, scratches, and even annoying fingerprint marks. This cover has been designed for the latest and greatest models of the F-150. It is compatible with the 2015 to 2020 variants of the truck. If you have an F-150 from this year's range and a 5'7" bed, you will not find a better option. It comes with heavy-duty aluminum panels. If you have this equipped in your vehicle, you will be confident that your cargo is safe and secured on the back. For sure, the combination of resilient infrastructure with a sleek and low-profile design will be worth the cost. What really makes it shine is the matte black finish on the aluminum, which makes it much more resistant to scratches. And personally, matte black really gives you that stealthy look, which I like a lot. If you haul a large cargo, you don't need to remove this cover since it may be folded upright against your cab with the use of durable prop rods. This will then provide you with 100% access to your truck bed. You can utilize the maximum space of your bed. It also features prop rods that allow for the cover to be propped up instead of resting on the back. The manufacturer is even kind enough to provide a 5-year warranty. If you are hesitant while purchasing it, you don't need to worry about anything. It ensures any defects will allow the user for a free replacement. The Ford F-150 is an excellent truck. It drives great and looks stylish, but what it lacks is the security provided for the truck's bed. You cannot use it for any meaningful purpose, such as storing or transporting valuable items due to the danger of unreliable weather and theft. Using the best tonneau covers for F-150 will offer truck owners the extra safety and secure transportation for their goods, even as fuel efficiency is improved with the drag effects being reduced. However, getting the best tonneau covers for the F-150 is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which products suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching, and that is all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.